the fourth time tonight, welcome to the second show of Sounds Like. It's a brand new comedy panel show where noises are allowed. In fact, definitely encouraged. While there are two teams trying to win points as opposed to every other panel show that ever existed. Now, we have two wonderful team captains. Our first team captain of Team A, called Team A for now. Please welcome Mr. John Henry Fall.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good to see you, Tom.
It's been ages since I even heard your voice.
Yes, minutes ago since I subbed in emergency style for the last show. So I've got an advantage at this point in time.
Yes, so the last show went a little bit long because we were having a lot of fun. So see if you can live up to that. Now, our captain of Team B, for the moment, you will both be naming your teams in traditional pub quiz style. Please welcome Mr. Trevor Locke. Trevor, how are you?
Hello, I'm very well. How are you?
Yes, not so bad. As I said, we had a lot of fun with the last show. Now, I'm going to explain the rules to you so you both know them for sure. First of all, when you are performing as opposed to guessing, no words. Nil words. Don't speak French, do I? Okay. It's minus 1 point if you do, and I'm feeling mean, which I have been feeling quite mean. Now, it is supposed to be only sounds. Any miming will result in reduced points. There is 3 points for a correct answer, only 1 if you mime. Consider it like a draw in footballs. And it's important to note that onomatopoeia is a grey area. For instance, if you make the sound boink, arguably boink is a word. I may well mark you down, but it's at my discretion. So, to be clear, any use of hands will be counted as miming, and I will mark you down. Facial expressions I will put alongside onomatopoeia. If I think you're not mainly using the noise to get across, then
What are you insinuating?
that you've got an expressive face and it's basically cheating.
That's discrimination. That's terrible. Why am I even on this?
Well, and the other thing you need to know, if you want to pass, as in move on to the next one, do this. You can loop back around if you've still got time, but if you want to pass, do that. Now, thank you, Mark Berry. I've seen the comment now that he can't hear me. I believe he probably can now, but I've only just seen the comment.
I wasn't going to say anything, but yeah.
Yeah, well. So, we currently have nobody for you to play with, I don't believe. Producer Dave? There's no one in the StreamYard who isn't the team captains.
Oh.
I was expecting a Michelle.
Yeah.
At the very least.
Knack McFeegle. We have a Knack. Get in the room.
Yes, Mark Barry can hear me now, so that's good. Let's do a brief test. John Henry, would you close your eyes? And Trevor, could you make the noise of that animal there?
Oh, I've got my eyes closed. I can open my eyes, can I?
Yes, well, I only asked John Henry to close his eyes.
Oh, sorry, you're cutting in and out. Sorry, I didn't hear that. I just heard, close your eyes. Okay. That animal, let me have a look. Hold on, gotta make it big.
Oh, God, John Henry.
I didn't see it.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, well, we all know it's a cockerel, right?
I didn't.
StreamYard's not working. This is Michelle. Okay. That's not ideal, is it?
No.
Well, we can just have a lovely chat, can't we?
Oh.
What have you been doing today, John Henry?
I've been caring for my infant son.
What?
I've been caring for my infant son.
Do you have an infant son?
I do, yes.
Congratulations. How did I not know about this?
Well, I don't put him all over social media. I don't want to make that Faustian pact for him. He can do that for himself.
Well done. How infantile is it?
Well, he's not technically an infant. I've discovered this the other. He is now technically a toddler, and he is toddling. So
good.
QED. He's how old? How old? 15 months, I've been told by an expert.
And his name's QED.
His name, yes, Quad et Demonstrandum Fall.
Yes, lovely. And Trevor, have you been doing anything that I wouldn't have seen on social media?
Yes, well, I have a little son as well now. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Tiny Tim, I call him.
Ah, he was doing a lovely joke. I see.
No, I haven't had any babies. Don't have any pets. Nothing interesting has happened to me since we last saw each other.
Well, I've seen you a few times, but you were recorded.
Oh, really?
Yes, I don't know if you know the other weeks we do a different show.
Oh yes, of course. You've seen me a lot.
Yes, a lot. Yes.
Yes. Oh yes, my energy transformers and my missing pieces of the. Yes. Good.
And I believe we do have one of our. Dave, are you watching this out loud on your phone?
I'm testing what the link works. And
Hello, Antonia.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm all right. How are you doing?
Yeah, you are joining Mr. Trevor Locke's team. So you are part of Team B.
Okay. Hello, Trevor.
Welcome, Antonia.
Thank you, Trevor. How are you?
I'm really good. Have you played this game before?
No, but
are you aware of the rules?
I've got another contestant here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, fingers crossed. One of the things you're going to be guessing is exactly that animal. I doubt it.
I've got a good prop then.
Now, as I say, you're currently called Team B. Would you like to rename yourselves?
Yes, we would.
Yeah.
Antonia, what is the name of your friend?
Simba.
Shall we use Simba's name to be the name of our team?
Yes.
Yeah. So we will be called.
We are a cat called Simba.
Oh.
We are a cat called
Simba. Okay, yeah, the cat called Simba. Very good. Yep.
Yeah.
So, Trevor, you're saying your audio is not particularly working that well.
Yeah. I'm things are cutting in and out, but I'm getting the gist of it.
Ideal for this sort of game, isn't it? Now, Antonio and Trevor, have you met before?
Yes.
Yeah. Where did we meet, Antonia?
On the heady days of lockdown 2 in a garden.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Yes, and you'd come back. You'd come back. You've been on a kissing holiday of Middle Europe. Is that right?
Indeed.
Yes, the famous Bulgaria snog.
Yeah. I thought
Croatia.
Croatia, exactly.
Croatia, yeah.
Any news from him?
I think he's liking a few posts on Facebook.
Oh, okay, it's like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
it's that kind of situation.
Yeah, so he's not ghosting you; he's sort of haunting you.
Yeah. Just like mildly sort of following around in a digital.
Well, apparently Michelle's still having trouble getting into the link, which all three of you.
It might be Amy coming, or Lillian. Maybe Lillian can come.
Apparently Michelle's still having trouble getting into the link, which all three of you.
It might be Amy coming, or Lillian. Maybe Lillian can come.
Hello. Someone's got two things playing the noise. If you close what you're watching it on, and then unmute yourself, we can now have a team A. If you close what you're watching it on.
Is that me? Is that me?
It's my lord. Is somebody playing the violin?
Don't mention any musical instruments. They might be the answer later. Dave, this is going to run out of power.
Hey, dude.
Hello, Amy. It's Amy Doyle.
Hello, everybody.
It's Amy Doyle from Who They Think You Are.
Sorry about the tech crap. This is my first time on StreamYard. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Isn't it fancy?
Isn't it?
And so, John Henry, have you met Amy before?
I have not met Amy before.
So,
Okay. I think me and you are going to smash this.
I agree, Amy. Amy, may I ask you an important question?
Indeed.
What is our team name going to be? Because I don't want to put this all on you, but it's all on you.
Dying ring light.
Dying Ring Light. I like it.
Mm.
It's also the name of my teenage goth band.
Love it.
Is that hyphenated?
Good question.
Knock yourself out. Whatever you fancy.
I choose to not hyphenate. Thank you. Now, Amy and Antonia, do you understand the rules?
Ish.
I do, yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Not sure about him.
Who is that?
Simba. That is Simba. But we are someone is looping the noise from earlier on. It appears to have stopped.
Amy.
So,
It's Amy, apparently.
I've
Can you
just
close Facebook or YouTube or Twitch, whichever you're watching it on?
Wow.
Okay. I think we might be good to go.
So I just missed a few things there. So, John Henry, you just you said that Dying Ring Light was the name of your teenage goth band.
Yes.
But, so when was that? How long ago was that?
I mean, that's a very personal question, Trevor. I mean, that would have been, gosh, it takes me back to a whimsical moment in my life.
Was it in the 90s?
It was being a teenager. Yeah, sure. I think it was.
So I just want my question for you then is what did a dying ring light mean in the 90s?
A dying ring light. It was far more visceral. Let's put it that way. It was a light for where the sun doesn't shine.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pyloric light.
Quite.
I feel this is getting out of hand.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to have to press us on to round one. And just before I do so, I need to double check. Does everyone understand that you cannot use words unless you are guessing? If you mime, you can only get 1 point. If you use onomatopoeia, it will be at my damn discretion. So, Dying Ring Light. John Henry, are you ready to noise?
I am ready to noise.
Catchphrase. That's pretty good. You have 45 seconds. The category is animals. 45 seconds starting now. Correct.
Doing. Doing.
Kangaroo.
Doing.
Doing. Pinball. Flea.
Doing.
Cricket. Grasshopper.
Correct.
Seal. Water seal. Water seal. Line. Sea line. Fucking walrus. Honk. Duck-billed platypus.
And your time is up.
Sorry.
Clearly a goose. Famously the honkiest of animals.
Sure.
In fairness to Amy, I did go down a really seedy route earlier.
I went with you, darling, but my eyes were closed.
I think you may have used your hands during cricket, John Henry.
I did resort to hand. Yes.
No, yeah.
He did. So that I believe is 3 points for elephant. You skipped over panda, didn't even attempt it. 1 point for cricket because of the use of hands. Goose, had you got it, I would have docked a point for onomatopoeia because it was too close to the actual word honk. And hummingbird, you didn't get there. But I believe that is a total of 4 points. It's a valiant effort for the first round. Valiant effort. Well done.
Hey, woo!
For the Dying Rin Night. No, sorry, Techie Dave. We did the teams backwards because tech reasons. So Dying Rin Night got 4 points there, and we are a cat called Simba, although we will just accept Simba. No, we're going full admin. Excellent news. So let's welcome. We are a cat called Simba.
Hey.
Trevor and Antonia. Oh, we now have Michelle.
Hello, Michelle.
Added to the stream for no earthly reason currently.
I've got a partner.
Pardon?
Hello.
Now, Michelle, I'm going to ask Techie Dave to take you off the stream, but team captains, at the end of round 2, you can decide whether you would like to keep your team member or unceremoniously dump them.
Brutal.
Get a new member of the audience.
I would never get rid of Amy unless she really wronged me.
Well,
He's got a whole round to do that.
you don't know how good Michelle and John are.
Shut up, Dave. So, Trevor and Antonio.
Yes.
It is your go for round 1. Trevor, do you have your list of
I'm not
animals?
Antonia.
Do I have my list of animals? Yes, I do. Yeah.
Okay. Techie Dave.
Some of these animals. Shall I? Am I giving it away? I mean, mate, no.
It's not the ones that are currently on the screen.
Oh.
Antonia, can I ask you to look away, and we will put the actual ones on screen. There we go. What was your question, Trevor?
No question now. Now I've got them. Oh,
Okay.
I see. Yes, but now they need to disappear from the screen. So now I need to look at
Now
my
disappear
phone.
from the screen, and Antonia, you can look back.
Yeah.
45 seconds. Trevor, are you ready to noise?
No, I'm not because I don't have my number. Yes, now I've got them. Yes, I've got them. Yeah.
The previous show went a lot smoother.
Okay, I've got them. It's just-
Antonia, are you ready to guess?
I'm ready to guess.
Trevor,
yes.
please start noising now.
Orangutan. Gorilla. Monkey. Oh, chimp.
Correct.
Oh, come on. Bulldog. Oh my God.
20 seconds left.
Walrus. Something blubbery. I don't know.
It's got to the next one.
Chick. Meep. Eve. Meep. Oh my God.
And that is time, I'm afraid. That's time.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
That was a mouse.
It was my fault, Antonio.
No.
I got too obsessed with. I should have just skipped on.
You really dug
Was
into
that up to me to go to the next one? Oh.
No,
No.
it's up to Trevor.
Okay.
Up to me. Yeah, it's up to me to go. Is it okay?
And so the second one was warthog, which I thought was a really good impression. It's just not an animal a lot of people are super au fait with. Perhaps Simba might be.
It might be.
Mouse, and we didn't get to ostrich or woodpecker. But that is 3 points.
Can I say I think I was in the family in my first guesses.
Which
Did you have-
family?
I said gorilla and orangutan.
Yeah,
You
but
have
you
to be-
did say
You
chimp.
got chimp.
You got it.
You
You got
said
the
chimp.
point.
Okay.
You said chimp. Yeah.
Yeah, when I said correct, that meant you'd guessed it right.
Yeah.
Right.
Why didn't you get mouse?
I didn't
so-
come out. I'm sorry.
It's a close game. Dying Rinlight, how are you feeling about your chances?
Well, I'm feeling very good. I didn't mean to tacitly threaten Amy earlier. You're going to do great.
No, I am a little bit disappointed in my performance in our round now, so apologies. So yeah,
I'm disappointed in my performance. Amy.
Ditto, Amy.
Wow.
yeah, we're everything.
On my
Keep
part,
going.
on my guessing
Oh, right.
Yeah.
ability.
Sounded like this was some shit talking going on.
Yeah.
Dear me.
Right. So, Dying Midnight, you're going into round 2, and Amy, it will be the one performing the 5 people for this round.
Okay.
John Henry, are you ready to guess?
I'm gonna
Yes.
have to write them down.
Yes. Then cover your eyes. So, Amy, you do not have the list yet.
No, I have to write them down. No, do I have to? Shit. Sorry.
Okay. No, quite all right. John Henry, keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes.
Yep.
Don't you dare move those hands until
I won't.
talking about.
God, sorry.
You're wronging this. Absolute wronging.
Okay, apologies. Yes, done.
You've got them all. Okay, well, they're off the screen. John Henry, please remove your hands. Are you ready to guess?
Yes.
And Amy, are you ready to noise?
Yeah.
You have 60 seconds for this round, and your time starts now.
Oh, yeah.
Gerard Depardieu. Jacques Chirac. Serge Gainsbourg.
Next one.
For the love of God.
A priest. Jabba the Hutt.
Oh,
Next one.
this is a lot harder than I look.
Celine Dion. Christina Aguilera.
10 seconds.
Britney.
Oh my God.
So, I mean, that's nil point. I was, if you'd got any point, I was considering taking. No, that's the wrong list, Dave.
I'm way out with those. I would never
Okay.
have got.
I mean,
Trevor,
yeah.
Trevor, I hope you have a really good memory.
It could have been the right list. You could have just given my list to someone else.
We have a spare list. I haven't got it written down, so no, we don't have a spare list. Yes, so that was Paul Gascoigne, Father Christmas, The Wicked Witch of the West, Tina Turner, and Michael Caine. We didn't get. Oh,
He says
East,
the
sorry,
Wicked Witch of
sorry,
the East,
sorry.
who was not actually depicted in the film The Wizard of Oz. She's just some toes, isn't she? Yeah. If you'd done that, I would have got it.
Yeah, but
Would
that's
you? Would you really? I'm going to give you a bonus point for that being impossible to do with noises. So you actually get 1 point from that round.
Could have had the sound of Dorothy's cabin falling on her.
Shunk. Right. So bonus point for Black Rabbit. Trevor,
Yes.
did you see all of the answers?
I think I did. Yeah. But I don't remember them. Santa Claus. I saw Santa Claus, and I saw Paul Gascoigne.
Well, okay, right. I am going to preemptively mark you down 1 point. And Antonia, you have the list?
I have a list, but those people weren't mentioned on it, so maybe it's completely different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trevor didn't see the new list. It's okay.
Okay.
Trevor, are you ready to guess?
Yes.
Antonia, are you ready to noise?
I'm ready to noise.
Well then, you have 1 minute. Starting. Now.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No, I know the one you mean. Marlon Brando.
Okay. Boop, boop, biddle.
Oh, but Marilyn Monroe.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, Robert De Niro. No, Charlie Chaplin.
Oh God.
Oh, I know. Oh, yeah. Sissy Spacek. No. Oh, I've got it. Yeah.
Oh God. Okay, this different one.
Julie Louise Dreyfus.
Yeah. Time. I'm going to give you back the point I took away.
Oh, yeah, one of them is Father Christmas.
Yeah.
Previous round. So that's that. You got 3 points. No, so it was Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yep.
I believe you guessed Marlon Brando for Frank Bruno, Marilyn Monroe, Jimmy Carr.
In your head.
Did you get Frank Bruno? I don't think you got Frank Bruno.
Damn it.
Well, no, I didn't say it out loud. No, but I
Yeah.
thought we were not allowed to speak. I thought I had to guess silently.
And Marge Simpson, which I thought was a valiant effort, I tell you.
Really good. Yeah.
You're very kind.
Did you attempt Jimmy Carr?
I didn't.
No.
No.
Do him now, then. Do him now.
Go there. Of course.
I think I would have gone for
Bob Monkhouse.
Yep. Got it one. No bonus points for you. But yes, what has that done to the scores? It has put We Are a Cat Called Simba slightly into the lead.
Oh.
No way.
Astounding. Astounding.
Keep in mind, they got
How?
no points in the last one apart from the bonus point I gave them. Yes. So this is the crux moment of the show, really. I think we know, John Henry, whether you would like to get rid of your partner or not.
I want to make this quite clear, Amy. It's not because you wronged me. But I have to wrong you right now. I'm so sorry. I'm going in. I'm going in all in Michelle.
Best of luck.
Whoa!
I'm gonna go. I saw. Hello, Michelle. I'm sorry, Amy. I'm sorry.
The best of luck for you, Michelle. I fucking
Well,
Breaks my heart.
shocking. What am I doing?
Amy, thank you so much for playing, but
Thanks for having me.
we're going to have to say goodbye to you because if this was in person, we would now release a lever and drop you into some guns.
Great.
Bye.
Brutal.
Brutal. John Henry, can I ask, are you playing the numbers here? Because there are two people on Michelle's screen.
I'm hoping that not Michelle on. I mean, she's not there for half the time, so it makes up one person in terms of the mean average.
Okie dokie. And Trevor, do you want to release the gun?
Say I'm not there all the time.
yes, I do. I want a different partner because and I mean, I like you, Antonia. But I just don't think this is your skill set.
Okay.
Well, we don't have anyone else in the stream apart from Amy. So,
God.
How about?
Oh, really? Okay, sorry. It's just that I was instructed by the producer. The producer told me definitely to swap.
That's all right. That's all right.
So
are you taking on the show?
we don't have.
I made one of the viewers. Can't one of the viewers join?
I mean, unsurprisingly, we've lost quite a few of those.
You stick on what you've got, Trevor.
So you can have Antonia or you can have Amy.
How many people are watching now?
It was a bonus point, but she's a point ahead of me, man.
There must be a viewer that wants to join my team. Come on.
What about both of us? They've got two. We can club together.
That's true.
John Henry, are you all right with that?
I'm okay because I've got a mole on someone on the
Yeah.
inside on the other team.
Yeah.
Do you?
I mean, you did just drop her into some virtual gunge. I imagine she probably doesn't quite got your back.
It's a Departed situation. She's like Leo in The Departed.
What a
She'll do anything.
it was. It might be one of the worst films ever to win any Oscars. What a stupid movie.
Got a very symbolic rat coming in at the end.
Okie dokie. So, Dying Ring Light. Are you ready for the emotions round?
I'm a little bit confused now. Who am I playing with again? Oh yeah. I'm not Dying Ring Light anymore.
You are not. You have been transferred on a free
Michelle
transfer.
and not Michelle. We're
I'm
in
here.
this. We're
I'm
in
here.
it to win it.
Okay, so
Are you giving us the emotions or are we giving you?
well, John Henry, do you have the list of emotions?
I do have a list of emotions.
No, I imagine it's going to be that way round. So Michelle and not Michelle, please look away. Look away from the screen so we can show everyone at home. There we go. And John Henry, the middle one, take it as the noun rather than the verb. It is there. Gerund. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Okay, you may look back.
Am I allowed to?
Michelle, you may look back. Yep.
Hello?
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's have the time on the clock. And John Henry, 5 emotions. Starts 90 seconds now.
Sad, miserable.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
Ecstatic, happy, excited.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
Puzzled, confused, lost, not sure, searching, confused, puzzled, lost.
I'll give you half marks on that.
Lecturous, randy, sexy.
Correct.
Well done. Ooh. Oh, in pain.
Correct.
Sore.
Do you want to try and go get the full points for the middle one?
What's the middle one? Curious, lost, surprise,
10 seconds.
awoke. No, think of anything else.
And that is time. You were ever so close. It wasn't lost. It was losing, brackets, lost. So,
I'm trying to convey time.
I'm going to give you 1 point for that. That's 3 points for sadness, 3 points for excitement, 3 points for sexy. And because there was a mime.
It was. I couldn't help myself.
Yeah, so that's only 1 point for pain, giving you a total of 11 points for that round. John Henry, you swapping over appears to have paid off.
Okay, I'm just going to find the list.
Where's she gone?
Trevor,
Hold on, I've lost you. Yeah.
have you?
I can't. Yeah, I can't see you. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But it does matter. It's incredibly important. Hold on. Oh, there we are. I got you. Yeah.
Yeah. Great. So, Trevor, you have your list?
Yes, I got my list. Yeah.
Can I ask both of you, the new Simbas and the old Simbas, to look away whilst we show everyone at home? That's great. If we can take them off the screen, and you can look back. So,
I might have seen one.
okay.
Oh, God.
It's 1 point then.
Preemptive deboners.
Okay.
And
Messing up.
Amy and Antonia, are you ready to guess?
Yeah.
Trevor, are you ready to noise? Well, then, you have 90 seconds starting now.
Hey!
Prize, winning.
Hey!
Correct.
Happiness.
Correct.
Could this be cunning?
Yep. I'm going to give you 1 point for that.
Oh.
Shock.
Right.
Right.
Like, firework.
Understand it.
Shock, horror,
Thrilled.
terrified.
Astounded.
Disappointed. Upset.
Forlorn.
Forlorn, yeah, good.
Self-pitying.
Pained.
Yay!
Yeah.
Victorious. What? Did we do that?
Joy. No.
We've got them all, haven't we? We've done
We
them all.
got that one. Oh.
You didn't get them all, no.
Oh. Oh.
Time is up.
What is that one?
Astounded.
That was realization.
Realize.
Is
Is that an emotion?
are you saying that you got terror?
Good call.
Yeah. I'm sure
Somebody said terrifying. Yeah.
I said terror.
Yeah, but not while you were miming or making the noise for terror. While you were doing realization.
Yeah.
So I don't think that counts.
No, definitely. I think we need VAR on this one, but I'm sure I was doing terror when she said terrified.
You
Okay.
got horrified or terrified at that point.
Yeah. I think we got winning, cunning, terror, but not mourning and not realization.
Not mourning or realization, and cunning, because Antonio did see it.
Yeah.
You only could get 1 point for that. So I'm being generous with terror, and I'm giving you 7 for that round.
Whoa.
Which I think
Nice
was
one,
pretty good going.
Nice one.
Pretty good going.
Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah.
Right. So
Have.
what is that under the scores? I think I put you on 13. Is that right?
Yeah.
Lovely. Yes. A cat called. Yep. Okay. Techie Dave fixed the font size. Excellent news. Right. So Michelle. Oh,
Hello.
you are. Do you have the list for the next round?
We are ready for action.
Okay, so this is the Foley round. So sound effects. So you are doing a sound effect. John Henry, do you understand?
Yes.
Are you ready to guess?
Yes.
Then Michelle, are you ready to noise?
We are indeed.
Okay, then the time starts now.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Church bells.
I'll give you.
Wedding bells.
I'll give you. It's fine.
Power hose. Deflating snake.
Next one.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
You've had half your time.
Giant. Footsteps.
Correct.
Balloon. Inflating. Heart attack.
Oh, it's like
5 seconds.
A tire deflating.
Time up.
Ooh.
Hey, John Henry, every single one of those things you guessed for that was air coming out of something. Now, what was Michelle doing?
She was. The air was coming in.
Yes, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was it? So, yes. So that was sucking through a straw.
Was it also something as well?
Oh, my God. I know, so then you can look. I just hope Trevor didn't see that. Once again, well, okay. So what you did get, bell. So that it was just bell. So you got that frying pan. Valiantly, Michelle tried to make the noise of frying rather than perhaps what any other noise a frying pan could make immediately. And footstep, which I think was rather confusing by you making a noise and also stamping your feet. I think that rather put John Henry off there, given that you were giving it him in stereo.
It was too much information, if anything, Michelle.
So that's two correct answers. But I'm going to subtract one for the use of onomatopoeia with ding dong, actual words. So that's -1. That's 5 for the round.
Still good.
I think it puts it within the other team's grasp. Cat called Timber, how are you feeling about this?
Confident.
Now we've got 2 of you. Have you coordinated in any way? Okay, so
both of us are doing the sounds.
One of you is going to have to take the reins. Trevor, are you ready to guess?
I'm ready to guess, and I want you both to do it at the same time. And you know, we'll
harmonise. We can harmonise, right?
Antonia and Amy, are you ready to noise?
Sure.
I imagine, are you ready to cacophony? You have 60 seconds, and your time starts now.
Buzzer.
Woo!
Yay.
Yep.
Horse.
Oh no. Ooh. What?
Hands. Hands. Clicks. Feet.
Got that.
Legs. Shoes. Oh, clip clop. Horses. Horses. Footstep.
So I'll give you that.
4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep.
Submarine. Sonar. A whale.
20 seconds left.
Hummingbird. Woman police officer. Winston Churchill.
Should we do 2?
2. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your time's up. I'm terrified.
Choking dog.
That's my comedy.
That was a rattle.
Oh no.
Oh,
Rattle.
What are you trying to do?
I said, what did I say? 2. Oh, what a spanner. Sorry.
Well,
What's the spanner
so the one you couldn't get but should have done, Trevor, was a microwave.
Of course. Yeah, of
Damn.
Now, like the other team, I'm going to have to take a point off because one of you actually said the word buzz.
No. Who?
And a Z with a vowel in the middle, and I think that's
What's
onomatopoeic enough. I'm sorry. That is 3 points. 3 points for buzzer, 3 points for horse, and -1 for one use of a word. 5 points.
Bullshit now.
I'm sorry. You've got to have rules before you can have any fun. Hence, sport. Okay, so there are quite a lot of points available for this final round. So you are not completely out of it, as Cat called Timber. The final round, you have 2 minutes, and the comedian, in this case, John Henry, comedian, writer performer. Yes, we'll take that. Will be attempting to get you to guess musical artists. Okay? Now, there are bonus points available if you manage to guess the song as well. So, 3 points for the artist, an extra 1 for the song. This is encouraging John Henry to do an actual song. But once again, he may not use words. And if he gesticulates, I will count it as miming. And I'm judging his face very closely. He attempts to do some sort of facial impression. I shall be furious. Right. Are you ready, Michelle?
We got to look away.
Yeah.
Yes. Look away, look away, look away, look away, look away. Keep looking away, keep looking away. I think the audience may have seen all of that now. Excellent. You can look back.
I don't know if those were the ones I have on my texts.
Oh,
Yes. No, those are not the ones I
Removed one.
yes, yes. So, did you have two for the first one?
May I see that one again? May I see that one again? I
Sorry,
only saw
Michelle,
one
can I
thing
need to look away? Sorry, do forgive us, ladies and gentlemen of the audience.
Oh, okay.
First night. Yeah.
Sure.
Did you have a completely different list?
No, just one different.
Just one different. Okay, good. Right. Sorry,
Things
Michelle.
will happen.
And Mr. Not Michelle. And
Yes.
are you ready to guess these musical artists?
No.
No.
Are you as ready as you'll ever be?
Yes.
And John Henry, are you ready to noise? Then please, you have 2 minutes. Off you go. That's the word. That was gesticulation. Oh yeah.
Barry White? Is it Barry White?
No, it is not Barry White.
Oh, I get no satisfaction. The Rolling Stones.
Correct. You've had more than half the time.
Again, is it?
Oh.
Next.
Ow!
Come on. That was very good, John Henry. That was very good. That was It's Oh So Quiet by Björk. That was Björk.
In fairness, yeah, I did sound more like Prince there. That is fair.
No, the ow was very good. It was very good. Do go listen to that Björk. It's Oh So Quiet. That was.
I do a very good. I live by the ocean. And during the night, I jump into it.
That was brilliant. Sorry?
The Anchor song.
Being facetious, but that's 4 points there, I believe. You did not get Tammy Wynette or David Bowie, and I thought the Bowie was very gettable. It was Heroes to begin with. I think it mutated into something else.
I did go to Major Tom to just out of desperation.
Yes, but so that's 4 points, meaning that a cat called Simba. There are a possible 15 points, I think, on offer here. No, 16 points on offer. So it's entirely in your grasp, and indeed your damn purview. Nailed this. Trevor, do you have the list?
I do. Got the list, yeah.
Okay, Antonia and Amy, can I ask you to look away so we can show dwindling numbers? Okay, I think they've seen them all. Trevor, did that list? Sorry, you can look back. Trevor, did that list match up with what you thought you were going to do?
Oh yes, 100% full marks. Yes, 4 out of 4.
Is handy.
We get a point for that.
And Antonia and Amy, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Trevor.
Brian Adams.
Come on.
Can't see any words, Trevor.
Next one, we'll come back.
Yeah. No. Sounds like I can't get no satisfaction, but
It was probably not going to be that one, is it?
no.
Stones, just say Stones.
We've had that up.
You've had half your time.
Oh, he's frozen.
I don't know what he was trying to do there, but yes, it appears he has frozen.
Charlie's cat.
God. It's my cat singing something.
Lights away.
You're technically out of time, but because Trevor froze for a sec, I'm going to give you a burst of 5 seconds. You better use it, Trevor. That's more than 5, and more than fair.
I'm gonna.
So that is.
We're gonna kick ourselves, aren't we?
I'm just going
Can we
to
change our
We're
name?
gonna kick ourselves.
hang on. I'm just going to count 2 points there.
Can we change our name to Dying Cat?
Yeah.
A dying cat called Simba. No, but you got 0 points there. 0 points there. I think ABBA was relatively gettable. It wasn't particularly good, Trevor, but I think it was in there. I think the Bruce Springsteen was very good.
Oh.
He did Born in the USA, followed by Dancing in the Dark, I believe.
Oh God.
Shit.
Very good. Well,
Then we had November Rain. Sorry. No, it was what was the Axl Rose, Guns N' Roses song you do? Paradise City, that's it.
Oh my God.
yeah, we had Sweet Child of Mine segueing into Paradise City.
Yes, Paradise City.
Sorry. I was like a symphony now.
But we started off with Someone Like You.
Well, I've got gunge in my ears.
Adele.
Well, we'll have to blame John Henry for that. So, unless you were deliberately tanking it like he winked at.
Oh yeah.
Dude, no, don't put these hats on.
Thank you, Amy.
The champions are Dying Ring Light. Well done, John Henry and Michelle.
And Amy. But well done, Michelle and
No.
Dominic, too. Well done.
Yes, well done, and thank you for playing. Thank you, Amy. I'm sorry it was quite so traumatic.
For me.
Yes.
Oh no, I'm here to cause the trauma. I'm good.
Oh, okay. Then I'm glad Steve was thrown.
The secret mission worked, though, didn't it, Amy?
No, I swear to God, I'm just shit.
Antonia, thank you for playing.
Thank you.
And well done for accidentally remaining on Trevor's team.
Yeah.
And Michelle, thank you for joining us relatedly. Thank you all for playing. Sounds like. Trevor, do you have anything you'd like to tell the people who are watching about?
Don't worry, just everything's fine. And even when it seems like it isn't, it is. It's really absolutely fine.
Easy.
So, if you have any problems, just give us a call, and we can talk it through.
I will do. I've got your number. I've had loads of problems. I didn't know about this service till now.
Oh, we can sort them out. Yep.
Okay. John Henry, do you have anything you'd like to plug?
Well, as it happens, although I do not feel this is in any way a transferable skill on this platform, but I am now a celebrant, so I can wedge you and I can put you in the ground.
Where can you do
put you in the ground? But I can respectfully make sure that you have a fine oration as you're put in the ground. I won't sing. I promise.
Where are you based at the moment? If people do want that sort of service,
South London, but I'll go all over. London. Yeah.
If you're allowed.
If I'm allowed, I will technically be a frontline worker. So,
do you do exorcisms?
Do I do exorcisms? Oh yes, I'm very good at those.
Really?
That's a very long story. Had to bury a terrible thing only a few months ago, but
really?
It's gone now, and that's the important thing.
Wow, cool.
And if people want you to do those services, do they find you just at the Story Beast on Twitter, etc.?
At the Story Beast, I will be partitioning these particular services. If you want an exorcism, Story Beast all the way.
Yeah.
Do you sell life insurance as well?
I do not. No, I don't. But double glazing, or rather,
in between.
But cut price double glazing. So just glazing, basically.
Well, thank you all for being on. Techie Dave, is there anything you wanted to plug?
Oh, thank you, Tom. Just these shows, really. Come back in a week's time for Comedy Auction and come back for more of these in the future.
This will be happening in a fortnight's time, and in between we'll be doing the Comedy Auction involving Trevor. I don't know if John Henry's going to be involved at any point. If you've got anything to auction off or anything you're an expert in, perhaps an exercised item.
I've got a thing to plug, Tom. I forgot.
Yes.
Yeah, I've got a sort of a dating show coming up very soon. So I'm looking for single people who want to meet people to kiss and cuddle.
And bypass COVID restrictions.
Oh God! But no, it's online. It's all online. It's an online dating show.
Got you.
So you can imagine kissing and cuddling them if if it's mutual.
And if your housemates allow it.
And exactly, and if your housemates aren't jealous, try to ruin it for you. Yeah. So I'm looking for single people who want to meet other single people online in a fun game-playing environment.
Lovely. Well, thank you very much for playing. Thank you for people who are watching, and see you soon.